In the world of project management, versatility is king. Project managers and teams constantly seek tools that can adapt to their varied needs, from visual task boards to detailed data analysis. Spreadsheets, with their familiar grid-like structure, are often the go-to for many when it comes to tracking, calculating, and organizing information. This naturally leads to a crucial question for users considering or already using ClickUp, a powerful all-in-one productivity platform. Can you create spreadsheets in ClickUp? As a project management expert, I can tell you that while ClickUp doesn't offer a traditional, standalone spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, it provides powerful features and views that offer extensive spreadsheet-like functionality, effectively allowing you to manage and interact with data in a highly organized, tabular format. This capability is primarily delivered through its table view and the robust use of custom fields. Let's delve into what this means and how you can leverage ClickUp for your data management needs in a spreadsheet-like manner. ClickUp's table view, your inbuilt spreadsheet. The closest equivalent to a spreadsheet within ClickUp is its table view. This view transforms your tasks and their associated information into a grid of rows and columns, very much like a traditional spreadsheet. Each task becomes a row, and each piece of information about that task, like assignee, due date, status, priority, and importantly, custom fields, becomes a column. Key features of ClickUp's table view that give it spreadsheet-like capabilities. Columns as data fields. You can customize the columns to display any default task field, e.g., task name, status, due date, assignee, or any of the numerous custom fields you create. This is where the power truly comes in. Custom fields allow you to add virtually any type of data to your tasks, mimicking the diverse data types you'd have in a spreadsheet. Text, for notes, descriptions. Numbers, for quantities, costs, IDs. Currency, for financial tracking. Drop-down/multi-selects, for categorization, tags, project phases. Dates, for tracking specific events, milestones. Checkboxes, for simple true/false tracking. Formulas. Yes, ClickUp has formula custom fields. This is a game changer, allowing you to perform calculations based on other number or currency fields within your tasks, just like you would in Excel. You can sum values, calculate percentages, or perform conditional logic. Relationships, linking tasks to other tasks, or even to external items, forming a database-like structure. Files, attaching documents directly to a task row, and many more. Bulk editing and data manipulation. Just like in a spreadsheet, you can quickly edit cell values directly within the table view. You can also perform bulk actions, like selecting multiple rows to change their status, assignee, or any other field simultaneously. ClickUp even allows you to drag and fill values down multiple cells, much like Excel's autofill feature. Sorting, filtering, and grouping. These are fundamental spreadsheet functions, and ClickUp's table view excels at them. Sort, reorder your tasks based on any column, e.g., sort by due date, priority, or a custom number field. Filter, narrow down your view to see only the data that meets specific criteria, e.g., show tasks assigned to John, with high priority, due this week, and a cost over $500. Group, organize your tasks by a specific column, e.g., group tasks by status, assignee, or a custom category field, which is akin to creating pivot tables or subsections in a spreadsheet for better overview. Copy and paste functionality. You can easily copy data from your table view and paste it into external spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets, maintaining the tabular format. This is incredibly useful for exporting data for further analysis or reporting outside of ClickUp. Customizable layouts. You have full control over which columns are visible, their order, and even their width. You can pin important columns so they remain visible as you scroll horizontally, similar to freeze panes in Excel. Beyond the table view, docs and integrations. While the table view provides the core spreadsheet experience, other ClickUp features contribute to data management. ClickUp Docs, for less structured data or notes that might typically live in a simple text document but could benefit from some tabular organization. ClickUp's docs can include tables. These are simpler than the table view but useful for embedding basic grids directly within a document. Dashboards. While not spreadsheets themselves, dashboards in ClickUp allow you to pull data from your tasks and custom fields into various widgets, including tables. This lets you create high-level overviews and reports that can be very data-rich, often summarizing information that originated in a spreadsheet-like structure. Integrations with external spreadsheets. ClickUp understands that sometimes you still need the full power of dedicated spreadsheet software. It offers robust integrations, often via tools like Zapier or Unito, Google Sheets, and Microsoft Excel. You can set up automations to sync data between ClickUp tasks and rows in Google Sheets or Excel. For example, a new task created in ClickUp could automatically create a new row in a Google Sheet, or changes in an Excel row could update a ClickUp task. This allows you to leverage the advanced calculation and charting capabilities of external spreadsheet programs while keeping your project data in sync. The project management perspective, why this matters. For a project manager, the ability to create and manipulate spreadsheet-like data within ClickUp is incredibly valuable. Centralized data. It reduces the need to jump between multiple tools. You can track project finances, resource allocations, risk registers, stakeholder lists, and inventory directly alongside your tasks. Real-time insights. Unlike static spreadsheets that quickly become outdated, ClickUp's table view dynamically updates with task changes, giving you real-time insights into project progress, budget consumption, or resource availability. Enhanced collaboration. Multiple team members can view and update the same spreadsheet, table view, simultaneously, eliminating version control issues common with traditional shared Excel files. Customizable tracking. The sheer flexibility of custom fields means you can create a spreadsheet for virtually any project-specific data point you need to track, without being limited by predefined fields. Automation potential. By combining custom fields, especially formula fields, with ClickUp's powerful automations, you can create sophisticated data workflows. For instance, automatically calculate project costs based on task completion and assigned hourly rates.